This is the apartheid. But asikho lapho. Let's go back to the beginning. You see, Abelungu namabunu had a problem. They have just discovered a country enama minerals amaningi engabenza babe rich. They have just discovered ukuthi no, le country iranwa abantu abamnyama. No ways ukuthi inkawu zingakwazi ukurun country. So they formed a national party ngo-1948. Khona ama-companies aprofitha kakhulu from struggle. Ama-companies enze imali eningi during i-apartheid. Ama-companies anjenge-Anglo-American eyaqala u-Ernest Oppenheimer. Ngicela usikhumbule leso sibongo, it is u-Oppenheimer. Enye i-company yaprofitha kakhulu, it is i-Volkswagen. I-Volkswagen yaprofitha kakhulu because yakwazi ukuthola i-cheap labor from abantu abamnyama, ibakhokhela imali encane and u-government ungabuzi imibuzo. Enye company profits a lot from his struggle. It is Standard Bank. Standard Bank was working with the National Party, giving a loan to political members of the National Party. Iqiniso ngesikwazi ukulibalekela abelungu namabhunu used i-National Party to create i-Group Areas Act la khona basusa otatamkhulu from indawo zabo ezinkulu, indawo zabo abebelima ababengcwaba kuzona bahamba bayobafaka kule indawo lezi, kule indawo lezi engenamanzi, kule indawo lezi engenagesi, kule indawo lezi ongena island. Thola ukuthi abanye abanayo ngisho title deed. Amaqhawe ethu, great leaders like Chris Hani were sacrificed. Baba umhlatshelo for a brighter future. Baba umhlatshelo for a brighter South Africa. Apparently, lo muntu lo was deemed as being a radical. Masithi waye radicalist, waye umuntu owethanda ukuthi no, an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Ethi ngizomela umuntu omnyama. Ngabe nginamanga yini mangase ngithi abanye bethu balidayisa izwe ngoba whilst ingane zesikole zilwa for freedom, whilst otatamkhulu belwa ukuthi sikhululeke, abanye bethu babeshaya ama-secret meetings nama-Oppenheimer. Ama-Oppenheimer ilaba abarana i-Anglo-American Corporation, le ekuyiyona yona eyasithathela i-gold ne-diamond, le ekuyiyona yona eyayisecretly running the country. Abanye bethu kwathiwa amaqhawe abalwelizwe, kanti abanye bethu babezwana nezitha, abanye bethu benza ama-secret deals ekutheni ukuthi no, wena hlehla from i-spotlight kodwa qhubeka wenze